Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. And it's day 25th of our consistency, and we are together with the last 24 days. So let's continue with the next day. It's been today of day 25 of the LeetCode series. So today I took the question from LeetCode, and the question number is a 3300. It's 3300, and the question title is a minimum element after replacement with the digit sum. Okay, so as I told in my every video that we have to develop a little bit intuition when we are go through with the ti- title of the question, because most probably the title of the question will simplify you that what we need to do with the within a problem, what the problem asks. Okay, so minimum element with a replacement. Okay, minimum element, it means that we have to find the minimum. Okay, now minimum element. Okay, after what, with a digit sum. Okay, so we have to sum also. Okay, so maybe it's the thing that we have to sum anything and then find the minimum of them. Okay, so this is a small intuition which we have developed while we are going through with the type of the question. Okay, now continue with the question description. Easy level of question as usual. Okay, you are given an integer nums. I'm going to zoom it so it will. Okay, integer nums. Okay, now you replace each element with the in nums with the sum of its digit. Okay, so we have, okay, so in at a particular element, let's go what the question, this line tells you. I have to explain this. Okay, so let's think that here is a particular num array and having the elements like 10 and 12. Okay, I'm just taking the two. Okay, now what we have to do at the first place, what is the digit? It's 10. So what is the sum of its digits? It will be 1. Okay, now continue the next. What is the second element? It's 12, and at this first index, what is the sum of the digits of the 12? It's 3. Okay, now this is the thing that you replace each element in nums with the sum of its digits. So this is what the sum of the digit and the replacement with the num. Okay, now return the minimum element in nums after all replacement. Okay, now all the replacement are done, then what will be the minimum of in the array? So actually, of course, 1 will be the minimum, so 1 will be written here. Now continue with the example that the examples having. Okay, so nums having this array. Okay, after the digit of the sum, and then replace the particular place value. So 1, 3, 4 and 5 will be, because 10 will 1, 12 will be 3, 13 will be 4 and 15 will be 5. Then we replace it, and then what will be minimum? 1 will be minimum. The same as 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be minimum? 1 will be minimum. 999, 19 and 199. 27, 10 and 19 with the sum of their digits. Okay, so 10 will be the minimum, so 10 will be here. Okay, most important when we are continue with the arrays, the length of array, the num array will be anything between 1 to 100. It means that any number of element between 1 to 100 will be there. Okay, and what the values of element? So it will be anything between 1 to 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4, it means 1 lakh. Any number between 1 to 1 lakh will be the uh, num or nums element. Okay, now continue the code. First of all, we have to find the element. Okay, let's take that the mean will be what? Mean will be, let's think mean will be first element. I just took that mean will be the first element. After that, what we have to do? We have to use for loop int x of nums. Okay, now in the x of num, now what we have to do? We have to just sum. I'm just taking one more. I'm just creating here while x is not equal to 0. What we have to do? We have to just do, I have to just use here sum, and sum equals to 0. So to sum the number of element, and what is sum equals to sum modulo 10. Sorry, num modulo, it's not num, x modulo 10. That's it. And x equals to x by 10. Okay, this is what the, so it will be sum. Okay, now if sum is, now if mean is greater than sum, we have to just put the mean equals to sum, and that's it. So this will what give the minimum. This while loop will do the what, it will create a digit sum. And also I am a special thing that I am not altering the original array. Okay, original array will be as it is. I am just using the numbers, and with the help of the numbers I am just finding the digit sum, and also using a mean variable which will store the minimum. And here I am initializing the mean variable with the uh, first element of array. And after the first initializing, I'm just checking that is the mean is greater than the sum, which is the digit sum. If is it, so the mean will be initialized with the sum, and that's it. Okay, so this is the function that we have, and after that we have to just return the mean, and that's it. It is the whole thing that we have to do. Now continue to run the code, and when we run the code, actually the case was expected in getting one. What's happening? Actually I did a mistake here. If the sum, we have to just do sum plus equals to 1 modulo 10, so it will be giving us the right answer, because here we have to also store the sum itself. Okay, now ready the test case. All the 3 test cases are passed right now, and let's ready to submit the code. And on submitting the code, yeah, we are getting a 1 ms time 1 ms runtime, and the 100% beating percentage, and 43.03 MB with 60%. If you think that you can write more optimized code, so please tell me that if I learn it, so I will be more specific to program. Okay, so please suggest me if you write the more optimized code, because according to me and according to my mind, uh, this is the most optimized code I can written. Okay, and also the code is here, and done with the description of the question also. And that's it for the today, with this LeetCode question, that is a minimum element after replacement with the digit sum. If you think that you can give me or suggest me something more better, so suggest me and comment it down. And also please like, share, subscribe my video if you think that you have to you will learn something from here, and you gain something knowledge from this video. Okay, so please like, share, subscribe my video, like, share my videos, and subscribe my channel, and please help me to grow. Bye bye.